Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and today is day number 7 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021. And today is Triangle Thursday. So we are going to be working on triangle pose. And I like to use blocks in my triangle pose. So that is something that you can grab. Also yourself and your mat. That's all you'll need today. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we'll start by placing our blocks, one at the end of the mat and one at the top of the mat, just so that they're there when we need to use it for our triangle pose. So we're just going to start in a wide stance. Hands can rest on your hips. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back. And just relax them there. Keep a micro bend in the knees. And then we'll start with 3 deep breaths here. So let's inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And then arms down by your side. Inhale as you bring your arms out and up. On the exhale, bring your arms forward and down. We're coming to a little bit of a wide forward fold. Inhale, lift the chest, lift the head. Exhale. Head reaches back down towards the mat. Inhale, reach the arms forward and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Bring your hands to your hips. And we're going to turn that left foot out to the left to face the top of the mat. Keep that leg straight. And keep this right foot facing forward. And then reach your arms out to the sides. And so we're going to turn this right hip towards the back of your mat and then reach that left arm forward and then start to reach it down as the right arm comes up, coming into triangle pose. So you can stay here. I like to have a block underneath my hands just because I have short arms. I have a little bit of short arms. And just pressing down into your block as you reach that right arm up. Left leg is still straight here. Keeping the chest open, and maybe you want to look up towards the right fingertips. And here you may want to reach the arm above your head, so in the direction of the top of the mat, and then coming back towards the back of the mat. And we'll do that 2 more times, just sweeping the hands forward and back, forward and back. Coming back to our regular triangle. And then you want to bend this left knee, bring your elbow or your forearm down to the left thigh, and then start to make some circles with that right arm. Two more circles. And then we're switching directions. Two more. Reaching the arm up, straightening that leg, bring the hand down to the block or to the mat. Triangle pose. Move the block off to the side. Start to reach the arms up as you stand. And then turn that left foot back to face in front of you, or back in line with the right foot. Inhale, arms up. Exhale as you come forward and down. Inhale as you lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale down. Inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. Exhale, arms down. This time we're turning the right foot towards the back of the mat. Keeping the left foot where it is and the right leg straight. Reaching the arms out to the sides and then turning that left hip towards the back or the front of the mat. Reaching the right arm forward and then down as the left arm reaches up. And then again, grabbing for your block if you want one. Keeping the right leg straight, reaching up through the left hand, pressing down through the right hand. And then again here, just sweeping the arm above your head, so towards the back of the mat, and then back. 2 more times, sweeping forward and back. Last time, coming forward and back. And then bending that right knee, bringing the right forearm down to the thigh, and then just start to do some circles here. Two more. And then switch directions, going the opposite way. Two more. Bringing the arm back up, straighten the leg, bring the hand back down to the mat, back into our triangle pose. And then put the block off to the side. Bring the arms back up and turning the right foot back in line with the left. Arms down. Inhale, arms come out and up. Exhale, coming forward and down. Wide forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine, lift the chest and the head. Exhale, release. Inhale, arms come forward and up. Exhale, arms down. Coming back to our triangle on the other side, so turning the left foot out. Keeping the left leg straight. Reaching the arms out, turning the hip towards the back, reaching forward and down. Again, you can reach for your block if you like. And we're just going to start to reach that right arm forward and down as the torso faces down towards the mat. And then coming back up. 2 more times. Last time. And then putting the block off to the side, start to reach the arms back up. Turning the left foot in line with the right. Release the arms. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, coming down to your forward fold. Inhale. Lift the head, lift the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release. Inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. Exhale, arms down. Turning the right foot out for our last triangle pose. Keeping that right leg straight, arms out to your side. Turning that left hip out towards the opposite side of the room, and then start to reach the right hand forward and down, reaching the left arm up and grabbing your block if you want. Doesn't want to come. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So bringing that left arm forward and down as we face the torso down towards the mat. and then opening back up. 2 more times. Last time, coming down and coming back up. Put the block off to the side. Start to bring the arms up. Turn the right foot to meet in the left. Last forward fold, reaching the arms up. Inhale. Exhale, arms come forward and down. Inhale, lengthen the spine, lift the head and chest. Exhale down. Inhale, arms come forward, all the way up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Hands can rest on your hip. Lift the shoulders up and back. Relax those shoulders. We'll end here with 3 deep breaths. Let's inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. Release the hands down. Thank you so much for joining me today for our Triangle Thursday and exploring different movements, mobility in the arms in our triangle pose. So I will see you all tomorrow for day number 8 of our 30-day series.